Long A sound. The letter A can make more than one sound. A short A says A. A long A says A. A word that has an E on the end makes the A long, like in the word cage. When you put an A and I together, it makes the long A sound, like in the word wait. Now let's try some practice. Listen to this word. Fame. Choose the word with the long A sound. Mice, rap, fame, tweet. The long A sound is in the word fame. Listen to this word. Lay. Choose the word with the long A sound. Cat, seed, lay, night. Lay has the long A sound.